Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this Motorola. Firstly, open Settings. Now you need to scroll down and choose Security section here. Then tap on Screen Lock and tap on the best lock method for you, pattern, PIN or password. When you're ready, you need to enter it, choose Next at the bottom right corner, repeat it and tap on Confirm. Over here, pick one of those options. How do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? By tapping on the chosen one. I don't want any, so I will go with Don't Show Notifications at all and tap on Done at the bottom right corner. Now when I click Home button, then turn off my screen and turn it back on. As you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!